always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're going to be getting into exactly what happened this morning when I was trying to go ahead and buy the Supreme Nike Air Maxes. If you do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And do not forget to go ahead and look at the sub count. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more or something related to this type of content. Go ahead and let me know what you would like to see in the comments. We also recently did reach 18,000 if I'm not mistaken, so thank you guys so much for that. Let's go ahead and grind out to 19K now and then 20. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So basically I was using addikt.io this morning to go ahead and cop these Air Max 96s in the black colorway. All I really had to do was make a task on addikt.io. Ideally I made 4 tasks for the sneaker that I was going for. I put random on colorway just in case it could snag something up in the size 10. So once the sneaker dropped, this is pretty much what happened right here. It happened so quick. Let's go ahead and get straight to it. So right here I'm waiting for the sneaker to load. It pulls it up automatically. It tried adding a size 6 and then over here it's adding my information. I got cart decline on that one, so I'm not gonna lie. So I went back in, I picked the size 10, added it to cart. All the information was filling in. At this point it started processing, and like you can see right here, I managed to get the Nike Air Max 96s in the black colorway, size 10.5. They did come up to 204.61. I feel like it was a solid pickup. Honestly, I want to go ahead and do a review on these for you guys, but in all honesty, after I make the review for these sneakers, I feel like I'm gonna end up selling them and probably putting that money towards the Amaminiere Jordan 3s, which I need so bad in a size 10.5 men or 10. I'll take either or, but yeah, I need those. I did manage to cook up on the Air Max 96s using addikt.io actually, which I am gonna get into in today's video. So as you can see behind me, I am on the addikt.io website. Addikt.io is the fastest all-in-one bot that you can honestly buy for the price that it's at. It is retailing at $130, but with my promo code Astro, you can buy it for 10% off. You can even split these payments into 4 payments of $30 something if I'm not mistaken, which does make it more affordable for you guys. Honestly, today's process was super simple. All I had to do was make 4 tasks with the sizes and color that I was looking for. I did put random for the color simply because I knew that with the hybrid mode that they do offer, I was able to go ahead and change the color or change the size if that's something that I had to do, which is actually precisely what I did. So I went in on the black colorway, and since I was doing these keystrokes, I don't get detected by Pookie, which is basically Supreme's anti-bot protection. Honestly, it was super simple. Like I was saying before, it's really user friendly as far as going ahead and setting up everything for the following day. They have their Discord where you get all the keywords that you're gonna need for the following drop. We recently did get word that the box logo is gonna be releasing either Friday at regular time, which is tomorrow, or Monday, Friday being the 7th and then Monday being like the 10th or something like that. Regardless, at 11 a.m. Eastern is gonna drop on one of those 2 days. But another important thing about addikt.io is that you buy it one time and you have it forever. So whatever update they do to the bot, it's free for the rest of eternity pretty much. They recently did release the 2.0 update, so if you guys are interested in getting notified whenever they do release again, which might be soon, you can go ahead and put your phone number on the website right here. It says enter your number, enter it right there. You can even use your email instead if that's something you are comfortable doing. Limited copies will be in stock whenever they do release, so do keep that in mind and make sure you go ahead and just see what's up. Go ahead and check their stuff out, and they even do have a YouTube showing some of their success for recent drops. They actually have been succeeding on a lot of releases lately. They've mainly cooked up every week of Supreme if you really think about it, and the proof is in their live cops and the success. Like, it speaks for itself, and you can see that people are actually using this hybrid mode that they offer. They do have Yeezy mode as well for Yeezy releases. There's going to be a bunch of Yeezy slides coming soon, and you definitely don't want to miss out on the opportunity to buy those. So behind me is addikt.io's Instagram. They actually do even post, like whenever there's some news, they do post it on here with like an estimated retail / resell value. And they also did post their week 10 live cop on here, which they post on YouTube as well. As you can see, a bunch of success, bro. A lot of people always do end up cooking using the bot and they still catch flack for it, so I don't understand where the misunderstanding is. At the end of the day, if you are interested in checking them out, make sure you go ahead and go on their website and sign up for their newsletter to be notified whenever they do release or restock again. They managed to go ahead and get me these Nike Air Maxes today, so make sure you go ahead and check them out. But without any further ado, man, I think I'm gonna get up out of this video. Go ahead and slap a fat like on this one if you did enjoy. Subscribe to the channel if you would like to see more content like this or anything else that you do recommend for me to go ahead and do on the channel. Let me know as well, and I think I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.